Okay, we have seen list and how to use list and to solve different problem. Now we will talk about dictionary. Dictionary. Yeah, dictionary is just a key value data structure. So to create a dictionary, actually we use something dicts and then something like this. And if I want to check this type of a dict, and it should be a dictionary, it's usually good to have, as you can see. Oh yeah, that's great. Then maybe what's how do we create different, for instance, user, as a user, let's see, let's create, maybe you may have an email. Yeah, the email would be asab@asab.com. And then maybe you may need a password, and the password would be more of 123 123. And then maybe username, and the username also would be ASA. As you can see, this is a key value. In this, yeah, the key value, key value, key value. Great. So maybe I can say, how do I can say also, I can look through this item for uh, that for key in user, print the key. The key is not a reserved word. I chose just use key because when you look through a dictionary, usually it gives you the key. Let's see. As you can see, it just gave me the key. Then I can also access the user like this, the key. Really? Yeah, something like that. But I think we make it so advanced when we just started. It's better if we just see step by step. For instance, let's just create a person dictionary. And then this person dictionary got first name. Yeah. And then it's my name actually. And then can we check the length of that? Let's say the length of person, and then it should give me 1 because it has 1 item. Yes, okay, last name, last name. And then if I just put my last name, and as you can see, it gave me 2 items. Good, but can I access, for instance, if I want to access one of the item, person, and then I can use this with the key, and then I should get my name. And then again, print person, first name or last name. I could get my last name. I can move. And then again, age, I'm known for under 50. And then maybe if I want skills, and you may imagine the skills could be in a form of a list. Yeah. CSS, and maybe JS and some Python, right? And then that would be a very good list. Yes. Then if I ask you the number of skills I have, how do you find them? You would say, if you want to get the skills, you just get skills and then person, then skills. This will store the number of skills I have, and then you can just the length of my skills here. And then it should give 4. If I increase here, for instance, Node or MySQL or something, it should actually increase by 2, and then it should be 6. Yeah, great. Maybe do I have and country? Country, and maybe I can say Finland, and then something like that. Okay, but how about if I try to find, do I have nationality? Person, nationality. Do I have a nationality? here, and let's see what it, oh, as you can see, no, it's a key error. It's the kind, there's no key nationality in this dictionary. And that's why you see this error, actually. So actually, sometimes the gate method would be better, because if there is no key, you don't see an error. Yeah. So instead it would give us none. Let's see. Have you seen? None. So in that case, let's see now nationality. Actually, after we create, we can also add nationality. Now, for instance, I put maybe Ethiopian, as you can see. Now I just put now nationality. And if I just check the person, this person now has actually nationality at the end, even though the nationality has been updated later. Yeah, even I can update also the skills. Can I update the skills? Person dot skills. No, not like that. Skills. And then I can append maybe post res SQL. It's a kind of SQL. And now if we print person, we may get the updated version of, have you seen now in the skill? So once we create actually a dictionary, we can update that. That's great. And then let's move on. Can we also create some kind of, yeah, I want to create, is married, is married. Yes, it's true, because I want to show you a kind of a data structure, a dictionary that has all the data structure. And then address, maybe I can address uh, street, street name, street name, and then you may see space street, and then the zip code, and then maybe 0700, whatever, something like that. So as you can see now, we can also create a dictionary inside a dictionary. So this is a kind of a compact kind of data structure that allows you to store your different data. Yes. So now, how about if we print, if we are interested only uh, uh, mm, this, wait, wait, there's some noise, I think. So let's move on. I think we're still recording, and yeah, as you can see, this dictionary got string data type, number data type, list data type, and Boolean data type. Again, a dictionary. So, and also we have seen how to mutate or modify it after we create, and we have seen how to access with this square bracket and also with gate. And gate is a kind of a safe way to gate because if you don't have the key, it doesn't break your code. Instead, it gives you none. Of course, you can use if and check. For instance, I can say if hobby in person dictionary, and then I can say print a person hobby. Does it have a hobby now? Let's just check. As you can see, nothing happened. But now if I just add some hobby, and then let's see, the hobby could be a list again. Maybe you may have hiking and mountain climbing, maybe. I don't know. whatever, and now we should print out because it has a hobby. But but if we want just like do not want to check, we can use the gate because gate doesn't raise an error. Okay, then I think I would like to introduce some methods. Then I think I would like to check from the material itself because I may miss some of the yeah. Now we have seen that accessing dictionary items and this adding items to a dictionary. We have seen that modifying items in a dictionary. Yes, modifying items in a dictionary. For instance, we have modified the skills. And as you can see, my age, do you believe I'm 100, 250? Do you? Yeah? No, no one, right? Maybe I think, I don't know. At least I couldn't beat 150 and maybe I can lower than maybe 80, 70 something, or maybe 50 or maybe 60 would be good enough. And print person, and let's see that. Now the age has been actually modified to this. Yeah, that's great. Now what we want to also see, actually, we do have different methods to get the values of, for instance, separately the keys and the values. If I want to get only the keys, I can say person.keys. This method allow me just to have only the keys. And let's see keys. This one is not, a built-in, just I called it to be keys, but this one is a built-in method already. Yeah, so as you can see, I found all the keys as in a list. Yeah. And then if I want values, I can say values, person.values. Values. As you can see, yeah, values like that. Okay, and sometimes we may change also the structure, person, items. This gives us actually a tuple of the keys and the values. Okay, print. Let's do this and see. As you can see, it has been changed. Instead, it's not anymore as in a key and value. Instead, it's a tuple. Tuple is something that has this parenthesis. So it's a tuple of two items, a tuple of two items. Yeah. So by the way, we can do some kind of a good uh, kind of iteration item in this, and then you can just print the item, and then you just get all the tuples. Have you seen the tuples? And sometimes even we can, and now this one would be the first item, the 0, and this one would be the item is the second item, something like that. Yeah, as you can see now, I found the key, the value, the key, and the value. It's possible. So this method, this kind of operation actually will help you to solve different problems. And now it's more of the deleting. We can use removing a key and value pairs. As you can see, pop and key remove the items with specified key. For instance, no one interested in my age. I can say a person and dot pop, and if I say age, and then now print and person, you will not see my age anymore in that list. Yeah, it has been removed. And pop item, I don't use this one. I think it's more better to use this one. And this one is also almost the same, del. So you just refer the key, as you can see, and then del. Maybe I can show you. What does that mean? The dull person, and then maybe no one interested in my hobby, and then leads to the hobby. Just pass hobby here. And if you check now, print a person, and you don't see that hobby anymore in the dictionary. That's good. Changing dictionary to a list of items. I think using the items, we have actually changed it. Clearing items. Now, you just use the clear and then you clear out. The delete, and if you don't put any key, you are actually deleting the whole thing. Yeah, now you are deleting completely. If you want to have a copy of the dictionary, it's the same as the list. You use the copy method because sometimes we want to have a copy. If we just modify it, we may not have the original. The keys, we have seen the keys method and the values method. I think this is good enough for today. I planned to cover tuples and list also in this, but I couldn't do that today because we don't have enough time for that.